song is in my album Hopeless Romantic. And I don't usually go on this. 내게 음악이 바다 건너 보내는 표 없는 편지였고 가사 한 줄에 시간이 디스킬러니 와와 시간이 가서 공부하는 거야 딱 못하는 방법이라 힙합이 나는 너를 나를 가두려 와지만 하고 싶은 물품을 말하면 넌 너를 숨었지 그 가슴을 가슴을지 your power and your voice. Maybe I could do a couple more songs, okay? So do you guys know the song? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Say oh yeah. Say oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Say hell yeah. Hell yeah. Say big naughty. Big naughty. And I want you guys to put on the flashlights all for me. You guys are the first people to listen to this song. And I'm proud, okay? You guys ready? Song called Beyond Love. Let's go. Put your hands